Hey, beautiful people! Welcome to a journey of self-love and appreciation. Have you ever wished you could wake up feeling amazing without needing makeup? Imagine starting your day with a fresh face, feeling confident and radiant from the moment you open your eyes. You absolutely can. It's all about embracing your natural beauty. When you learn to love and care for your natural self, you unlock a new level of confidence and joy. Let's dive into some easy tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best, makeup-free. From skincare routines to lifestyle changes, there are so many ways to enhance your natural beauty. We're going to talk about simple things you can do every day. These small habits can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Think of it like creating a routine, just like you would with makeup. But instead of covering up, we're focusing on bringing out the best in your natural features. Except this routine is all about enhancing your natural features. It's about highlighting what makes you uniquely beautiful. Ready to shine? Let's get started. Embracing your natural beauty is a journey, and it starts with taking care of yourself from the inside out. I can't wait to share all these tips with you. From hydration to nutrition and from skincare to self-care, we'll cover it all. Remember, true beauty comes from within. It's about feeling good in your own skin and radiating confidence and happiness. These tips are just here to help you enhance what you already have. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to embrace it. Let's celebrate the beauty of being natural. Embrace your unique features, love yourself, and let your inner beauty shine through every day. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin looking fresh and vibrant. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables nourishes your body and skin from within. Taking time for self-care and relaxation helps reduce stress, which can have a positive impact on your skin and overall well-being. Regular exercise boosts circulation and gives your skin a healthy glow. Plus, it makes you feel great. Using natural skincare products can help maintain your skin's health without harsh chemicals. And most importantly, smile. A genuine smile is the best makeup you can wear. Surround yourself with positivity and people who uplift you. Happiness and confidence are contagious. Reflect on what makes you unique and beautiful. Write it down and remind yourself daily. Practice self-love and kindness. Treat yourself with the same care and compassion you would offer a friend. Walk with confidence, knowing that you are beautiful just the way you are. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and self-love. It's a beautiful path that leads to true happiness. Wake up each day with a positive mindset and a grateful heart. Your natural beauty will shine through. Remember, you are beautiful just as you are. Embrace it, celebrate it, and let your natural beauty shine. Let's start with the base of any good beauty routine: hygiene. It's the simplest yet most effective way to look good instantly. A bright smile is your best accessory, so keep those pearly whites sparkling. Brush, floss, and use mouthwash regularly. Don't forget about fresh breath. Keep mints or gum handy for an instant refresh. Good hygiene is the first step to feeling confident and beautiful, even without a drop of makeup. Next, let's talk about nails. A little nail care can go a long way. Keep your nails trimmed and filed. You don't need long, elaborate nails. Short, neat nails look just as polished. Want a pop of color or design? Press-on nails are your new best friend. They're easy to apply, last a long time, and come in endless styles. Perfect for a quick and easy nail makeover. Eyebrows are the frames of your face. Well-groomed brows can make a huge difference. Keep them neat and tidy by tweezing stray hairs. Don't overpluck. The goal is to enhance your natural shape. If you're unsure about shaping, visit a professional. They can help you find the best brow shape for your face. A little eyebrow gel can go a long way in keeping those brows in place all day long. Section 5. Luscious lips naturally. Let's move on to lips. Dry, chapped lips can be a major downer. Exfoliate your lips regularly with a gentle lip scrub. You can even make your own using sugar and coconut oil. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Use a good lip balm with SPF to keep your lips soft and protected from the sun. Remember, healthy lips equal happy lips. Section 6. Brightening your eyes. The eyes are the windows to the soul. Let's make them sparkle. Under eye bags got you down? Try applying a cold compress or ice pack for a few minutes. It can help reduce puffiness and make you look more awake. Cucumber slices over the eyes are a classic for a reason. Cucumbers have natural cooling and depuffing properties. Try it out. Section 7. Enhancing your natural lashes. In this section, we will explore various techniques and tips to make your natural lashes look their absolute best without relying on heavy makeup or false lashes. Mascara can be a lifesaver, but we're going makeup-free here. While mascara is a quick fix for many, it's not always the healthiest option for your lashes in the long run. Overuse can lead to brittle lashes and even cause them to fall out. No worries, there are other ways to make your lashes stand out. From natural oils to lash serums, there are plenty of options to nourish and enhance your lashes. Let's dive into some of these methods. An eyelash curler is your new best friend. This simple tool can make a world of difference. By lifting and curling your lashes, it gives the illusion of longer, fuller lashes and makes your eyes appear more open and awake. It instantly opens up your eyes and makes your lashes look longer. The effect is subtle yet significant, perfect for a natural, everyday look. Here's a little trick. Warm up your eyelash curler with a hairdryer for a few seconds before using it. The gentle heat helps to set the curl, much like how a curling iron works on your hair. The heat will help curl your lashes even better. Just a few seconds of warmth can make a big difference in how well your lashes hold their curl throughout the day. Just be careful not to make it too hot. Always test the temperature on the back of your hand before using it on your delicate lashes to avoid any burns or damage. Another fantastic way to enhance your natural lashes is by using castor oil. This natural oil is rich in nutrients that promote lash growth and strength. Apply a small amount to your lashes before bed and let it work its magic overnight. Lash serums are another great option. These products are specifically formulated to boost lash growth and thickness. Look for serums with ingredients like biotin, peptides, and hyaluronic acid for the best results. Don't forget the power of a gentle eyelid massage. This can stimulate blood flow to the lash follicles, encouraging growth. Use your fingertips to gently massage your eyelids in a circular motion for a few minutes each day. Lastly, a balanced diet plays a crucial role in the health of your lashes. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, can promote lash growth and strength. Think leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fish. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can achieve beautiful, natural lashes without the need for heavy makeup or extensions. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. Your lashes will thank you. Section 8. The importance of skin your canvas. Your skin is not just a barrier, it's a reflection of your overall health and well-being. Your skin is your largest organ, so taking care of it is crucial. It protects you from external elements, regulates your body temperature, and even helps you sense the world around you. Find a skincare routine that works for your skin type and stick to it. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, understanding your skin's needs is the first step to achieving a healthy glow. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing twice a day is key. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Toning helps to balance your skin's pH levels and prepares it for better absorption of moisturizers and serums. And ladies, never underestimate the power of sunscreen. Sunscreen is your best defense against the harmful effects of UV rays, which can cause sunburn, premature aging, and even skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate through clouds and windows, so it's important to protect your skin year-round. Protecting your skin from the sun is the best way to prevent premature aging. Wearing protective clothing such as wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses can also help shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Plus, it helps maintain an even skin tone, which is always a plus. Regularly checking your skin for any changes or signs of damage can help you catch potential issues early and keep your skin looking its best. Incorporating treatments like hydrating masks or exfoliating scrubs can also enhance your skincare routine. These treatments can provide an extra boost of hydration or help remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Remember, healthy skin starts from within. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants can significantly improve your skin's appearance and health. Ultimately, taking care of your skin is an act of self-love. When you invest time and effort into your skincare routine, you're not just enhancing your appearance, you're also boosting your confidence and overall well-being. So embrace your canvas and let your natural beauty shine through. Section 9. The allure of scent. Smell amazing without perfume. Absolutely. Pay attention to your hygiene. Shower regularly and use a body wash with a scent you love. Carry a small bottle of essential oil with you for a quick and natural fragrance refresh throughout the day. Lavender is calming, citrus is energizing, and peppermint can help with alertness. Section 10. The power of accessories. Accessories can elevate any look, even when you're not wearing makeup. A simple pair of earrings, a necklace, or a watch can add a touch of polish and personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and find what makes you feel confident. Accessories are a fun and easy way to express yourself. Section 11. Confidence, your best accessory. The most important tip of all, confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. A genuine smile is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Remember, true beauty comes from within. These tips are just here to enhance what you already have. Embrace your natural beauty and let your inner light shine.